Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English and IELTS Mastery Hub, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Elena.
Hello, Elena. How are you today?
I am great, Tom. Thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
Yes, I am very happy. The sun is out. It is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day, and we have a new topic for our friends.
Oh, yes, a very important topic. It is good to know.
Exactly. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and give us a like. It helps us a lot. And share this with your friends and family. Let's all learn English together.
Okay. So, Elena, what is our topic today?
Today, we will talk about going to the doctor's office.
The doctor. Important, yes, but sometimes not so fun.
No, not fun, but we all need to go sometime.
When you are sick.
Sick?
Yes, like when your head hurts.
Yes, when your head hurts or your tummy hurts.
My tummy, ouch, that is not good.
Not good at all. So, Tom, let's pretend I am not feeling good today.
Oh no, what is the problem, Elena?
My head hurts and I feel hot.
Hot? Oh, maybe you have a fever.
A fever?
Yes, I think so.
So, what do I do?
You need to see a doctor. First, you call the doctor's office.
I call them on the phone.
Yes, on the phone. Ring, 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 ring.
Okay, so I call. What do I say?
You can say, "Hello, I need to see the doctor, please."
Hello, I need to see the doctor, please. Huh, that's easy.
Yes, very easy. And the person on the phone, the receptionist, will help you.
The receptionist.
Yes, receptionist. They are very helpful. They will ask, "What is your name?"
And I say, my name is Elena.
Good job. Yes. Then they will ask, "What is the problem?"
And I say, my head hurts and I feel hot.
Exactly. You tell them how you feel. It is important.
Okay, so name and problem. What next?
They will find a time for you. They will say, "Can you come at 2 o'clock?"
2 o'clock. Okay, I can say, yes, I can.
Perfect. Or if you are busy, you can say, "No, sorry, is 3 o'clock okay?"
Oh, good. So I can ask for a different time.
Yes, you can. It's a conversation. They want to help you.
That's great. So now I have a time and appointment.
An appointment.
Yes, that is the word. You have an appointment with the doctor.
My appointment is at 2 o'clock. Now I go to the doctor's office.
Yes, you go there, you walk in, and you see the receptionist. The same person from the phone, maybe.
Or maybe a different person.
Okay, so I go to the desk. What do I say?
You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Elena."
That is very clear. I like that. Hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Elena.
Yes, exactly. The receptionist will say, "Okay, please sit down. The doctor will see you soon."
Sit down. Okay, so I wait.
Yes, you wait in the waiting room. There are chairs and maybe magazines.
Oh, magazines are nice. I can look at the pictures.
Yes, it helps the time go by.
And then my name. The nurse calls my name. Elena.
Yes, a nurse. The nurse helps the doctor. The nurse will take you to a small room.
Okay, and I wait for the doctor in the small room.
That's right. The nurse might ask you some questions first.
4 questions? Oh my.
Just easy questions like, "How are you feeling?"
Okay, I can say, not so good. My head hurts.
Perfect. The nurse might check your temperature with the little thing for your ear or your mouth.
Yes, a thermometer to see if you are hot.
A thermometer. Okay, I understand.
After the nurse, the doctor comes in.
The doctor. Hello, doctor.
Yes, the doctor will say, hello, Elena. What is the problem today?
And I tell the doctor again, "My head hurts and I feel hot."
Yes, you tell the doctor everything. Maybe your throat hurts too, or your ears.
My throat? Like when it is hard to eat? Ouch.
Yes, that is a sore throat. You can say, I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat, and I have a headache.
A headache, yes, that is the word for when your head hurt.
Headache. Headache. I like that word. It is easy. I have a headache.
Good job. So you tell the doctor, I have a headache, a sore throat, and a fever.
Wow, I am very sick.
Sick, yes. In our story, you are very sick.
The doctor will listen. The doctor will nod and say, okay.
The doctor is very serious.
Yes, they are thinking. They want to help you. The doctor might say, okay, let me see.
Let me see. What will the doctor do?
The doctor will look in your throat. They have a small light. They will say, open your mouth and say,
Like that?
yes, exactly like that. Very good.
Thank you, Tom. What's next?
The doctor might listen to your heart with a stethoscope.
A stethoscope? That is a big word.
It is a big word. It is the thing the doctors have around their neck.
Oh, I know that.
Yes, they put it on your chest.
That's right. And they say breathe in and breathe out.
In and out.
Perfect. You are a very good patient.
Thank you. I try my best.
So the doctor looks and listens, and then
Then the doctor knows the problem. The doctor will tell you what to do.
the solution. What will the doctor say?
The doctor might say, you have a cold.
A cold. Ah, yes, when you sneeze. Achoo.
Yes, achoo is the sound. So you have a cold. The doctor will give you advice.
What kind of advice?
Simple advice, like you need to rest.
Rest? What does that mean?
Rest means sleep and don't run or play. Just be quiet and calm.
Okay, so sleep a lot. I can do that.
Me too. The doctor will also say drink a lot of water.
Water's good. I like water. So rest and water. Anything else?
Maybe the doctor gives you medicine.
Medicine, like a pill or a liquid.
Yes, it can be a pill or liquid. The doctor writes it on a paper. This paper is a prescription.
Prescription. Okay, a paper for medicine.
Exactly. You take this prescription to the pharmacy.
The pharmacy. Is that the medicine store?
Yes, the pharmacy is the medicine store.
You give the paper to the person there.
And they give me the medicine.
That's right. And they will tell you how to take it. For example, take one pill in the morning.
One pill in the morning. Okay, I must remember that.
Yes, it is very important to listen to the doctor and the pharmacist.
So I go home, I have my medicine, I drink water, I rest.
Yes, and then a few days, you feel better.
Yay, I am not sick anymore. My head is good, my throat is good.
That's the best part, feeling good again.
It is so good to feel healthy and happy.
Yes, to be healthy in your body is so important. Oh, actually, Elena, I don't feel so good now.
Oh no, Tom, what's wrong?
My stomach hurts. It feels bubbly.
Bubbly. Do you mean you feel sick to your stomach? Maybe you need to vomit.
Yes, that's the word. I feel like I need to vomit, and my stomach is making strange noises.
Okay, you have a stomach ache. The doctor will want to know more. Did you eat something unusual?
I did. I had a very spicy curry for lunch. It was delicious, but maybe too much for my stomach.
That is important to tell the doctor. They might say you have indigestion. The doctor will probably tell you to eat simple foods for a few days.
Simple foods? Like what? Bread and water?
No, not that simple. Maybe some plain rice, bananas, or toast. Nothing spicy or heavy.
Well, this was a fantastic conversation. So very helpful in many ways.
I agree, Elena. And a big thank you to all of our wonderful listeners for joining us today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope this episode was helpful for you.
We would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. What is a new word you learned today?
That's a great question. Maybe appointment or headache or prescription.
Let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to English and IELTS Mastery Hub. And please share this episode with your friends and family.
Sharing is caring.
It is. Thanks again for listening, everyone. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now. Be healthy and happy.